Come back and park and wait for you, eh? Go up to down again. Yeah, I want to be there.
Yeah, I should be crowned through SBT. AC sweet in the comfortable like down a AC sweet. Yeah, country. Them think I pick the money about 8 mil feet. Should be crowned through SBT. AC sweet in the comfortable like down a AC sweet. And I be my everyday this race increase. Think I pick the money about 8 mil feet. And I just a luxury keep me beer deep. And this a skate a country, no I be a big thief. Think I stage na PUBG when they take real these. That's how me do, you know a suction. Panic up a function, panic. Anyway me pull up, y'all a bounce pan panic. Can't get left and road run flat panic. Babes press it button, lift the shade, suck bank at it. One tip channel, shoop, 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 shoop. Cut through traffic, fully loaded with the sunroof panic. Exhaust load like a bus through. Me know fast and jet. Young country come up, we start one bet. Call to him, I coulda call one ex.
What are you doing today, guys? I'm out of the town, man. I don't know, it's so bad now, just right now. That fridge. Yeah, when I fix that cold man, see that? One fridge, you know? Fire like.
Powers.
Now every girl want a Honda man. Mad dog, no GLE can make me feel like this full of sense so me can't lick up. And any boy girl we go pick up. Anytime cause the press gas tire chip up. The front lift up, bag a button, prestigious. Switch lane devil looking at mirror. 10 minutes reach Rocherius. In night 2023 Honda van. She say bumbo clat, I say Honda bad. I say in the big, I say Honda tan. Now every girl want a Honda man. In night 2023 Honda van. She say bumbo clat, I say Honda bad. I say in the big, I say Honda tan.
have to take one shot now for the video. No, we not take this separate. Give them a cup, bro. Give them different cup with it. Top of the morning. Top of the chart, you know. You don't know success and everything, blessing, health and wealth, strength too. I share the blessing with me, is it? Yeah, I share it with you. Powers, success, health, well, good fortune. You see me I say? Yeah. That me I tell you now. Consistent, you don't know. Only for each song for this year. You see me I say? And the following years then, you know. Today we're in our kitchen. What we have here, my brother? Stir it up, make see it. This is King Force Ripe, is it? We are giving a run today, you don't know. We are supervise the cooking, but you know it's an authentic Jamaican chef. Bad. Alright. So what we have this, father? Manish water. Alright. Manish water or goat soup, as you know. Over there, so we have, yeah, man. Like a goat himself without the soup, you see me? Yeah, man, I don't know, say it smell real rank. So you don't know, say Rami real rank. Right now, pot of sauce boil up. What we have in this, my father? Show it to me, make them see it, my father. Yeah, man. Hold on, my mommy, my record. Yeah, man, I don't know in Miami right now we have a Airbnb a little more. Yes. I mean, I tell you, say that we'll learn a man when I talk to them. This is the real jasmine rice. Why upon the jasmine, but you know it go? I know it's a coconut milk, your time and everything, and it's very. You see me? Put looking at me and let me taste it to show them my father. Cause it look real. Early in the morning now, you know, people, 7 o'clock from last night in my cook. I'm saying take a little rest, 2 o'clock, and in the pan it. Right, I know. So I taste it. Wicked chicken. I see that. One more thing I deal with. So we have a pasta over here, so with a mixed vegetable. So I go finish up here now. I also see chicken them already seasoned up already. Let me show you. Bust off low that pepper over and then see what I want. Give me a fat to my father. So you see the chef a real deal with the thing. Properly already. So well marinate. As you can smell. But smell very nice. So see it there. Him stab him up and season him with the season already. So we're gonna fry and bake them, eh? I'm gonna update you later today. As you know. See him there? Okay, now black bag. Oh, this is a jerk chicken one. I have to make them see jerk chicken one are different. Bust rubber band and then see. Oh, so see it then and smell the real Jamaican. You see it is different. So you don't know, so you have that Jamaican pepper. You can see it. As you can look on it, you see a whole heap of pimento and a lot of smell, garlic and everything there. Yeah, today's gonna be a good day. Right now, I want my food from early, you know, before the crowd comes. River, still there, I can see. July 4th. Only pattern. Yeah. Chicken still there, so for Ray and there. And this one, and this one. And this is still around. Bad soup too. Big weight finish. I don't know Miller Town himself. I don't know a long time when I do a Miami vlog. People them are asking new music. I not rope thing. See it there. That is it. Shout out to the vlog. My father, where are you dealing? God. Father. One boss a Casamigo chop on them, man. Milking. Richard man talking. Yeah, man. Rich your fuck, man. Tell him some I go change because I know him a move so hard. See it there. Yeah, till night, you know, what go on. Food shell. Yeah. Milking. Yeah, bad chef, you see me? I want this for jerk chicken. So see it there, people. If you never see it, see jerk chicken there. White rice are dealt with right now, is it? Bumbuk. Oh, if I eat, I go on my father. Brother, what you say? Food eat good?
Yeah, man. Baddest thing.
Hey, boy, shut in here and cook it. Right, lad, respect to the place, man.
Yeah, man. Where far him?
See Fark right in front of you, my killer. Yeah, good for real, man.
Bad man.
Yes, what's already your father?
Get him right there.
Get that work, no, man. Colonel, them not have nothing over you, no, father. I start having people, man, that's it.
Look how the rice perfect.
That is it.
Well, Shellyan.
Check it, boy, check it.
Now there on the 4th of July.
Approximately.
That time.
You know. Yeah, man, boys are good look further, man. Active. Right there, the wicked. The jerk chicken. I always seen the ketchup. Me set on a sauce, you know, my father. I remember me I cook from morning, you know. You can make a one sauce, you know, with the ketchup, you know. You know, so?
Yeah. Let's go.
Jump up, fuck up right now, you see me? Out the door or something. Half a fart come sleep in the morning because you know the AC turn up too loud. And the man him now hold it that is it.
Country. Them know say me run the bucklad country. The Luxel, the Axio G. Yo dog, why pre? Me roll up inna the Axio. Them a say how me drive like taxi so. Girl say God me want get bad for you. Turn round and take off your panty no. She cock it up inna the back of the Axio. Inna the Axio. She cock it up inna the back of the Axio. In her crotch me go. Me know say you did want me fi continue, but YG roll up inna the vaccine up with some blood clot Kyle them elastic up. Everywhere when me roll up with the Glock chip up. We shot people, my brother me no shot bishop. Me turn up the AC pan maximum. Just a kick back so wanna relax, you know. From me drive up, one mount a gal me fuck. The Axio rims chrome and black. This I got about 24 lock spot. Make it tire skid, no attraction. Tune it up a roll and shot. So anytime when me rev it out that people